Hey, my friends, how are you doing? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I have decided to take about an hour out of my work day to tackle the zoo in my scrap room. Guys, it's still bad. It's still bad. I'm having no problem scrapbooking. I seem to make time for that, but good gracious, I'm not getting anywhere with my room. So look what I decided to do. Now I don't know if I did something stupid or if I will be happy that I did this. Look. Oh my gosh, you've seen this before. This is what is behind me when I'm sitting at my desk. And now I've moved everything in an effort to organize. But now look what happened. My gosh, look at this. Holy frickin' heck. Look at this. What was I think? Like, what? This is not, I don't have words. This is not good. I have made such a gigantic freaking mess that now I can't even sit because I put stuff here, but I've made such a gigantic mess because the things that are here, I'll tell you, are things that I just thought, oh, I'll stick it in a basket and then I'll get to it one day. You know, sort it properly, put it where it goes. But then one basket turned into another and another and another. And another. Wow, there's another one beneath that, another one on top. Oh, look, this basket. Suddenly, these freaking baskets are multiplying like rabbits. And every single one of them is a mess. So I am very organized in my iris containers that live in there. That beautiful door opens, and then inside there I have my iris containers, and I have the school ones and kid ones here. Because I use those when I'm doing school, like I take the school stuff out and sometimes I use kid stuff. So I just left them there. I bought that at Michael's once, but like, look at this. Look at my life. Please let me know that you are having similar issues. I don't know if anybody's as crazy as me. Like, look at this mess. Oh, finished albums though. Look at that. That's beautiful. And then my paper sorted, more albums there that are not done. More albums here that are not done. More albums there that are not done. You do realize that when I say I have 112 albums that were started, partially finished, I'm not kidding. That's what they look like. And I've showed you this before. This is what they look like. But today I'm tackling all this. I'll be darned if I don't. I can't handle this anymore. But stay tuned. I'll show you snippets if things get better. But there, I must love you if I'm showing you this. I'm not even kidding. This is embarrassing and disgusting. Okay, so I'm celebrating small successes. It's not much, but I went through and I had 2 packages of these. So I did 300 pieces of these letter tile stickers, and I literally sorted the rest of them out by color, and that's one thing I have done. So now I will put these, instead of in a basket, into my little closet over there and into the little bins I have in there for thickers and letters of any sort. So that's one thing done. I'll be back. Okay, guys, this is how my brain works. So I still have a mess here. I've gone through those little letters, those Scrabble tile things, that's fine. But then I thought, okay, I like to actually accomplish something. So what am I doing? Now I'm sitting here at my desk and I'm working on a layout in this album. So I am cleaning, I am scrapbooking, I'm taking you through to see how my brain works. Oh, but I've also done this. I organized this little bin of these guys. See? So that's good. There's my little camera shadow that you can see. Oh, guys, I have it on a selfie stick. I have my phone on a selfie stick because it makes it so it doesn't shake as much. And I am moving it around, so sorry for those of you who get dizzy. I'm sorry, but this is how I'm going to do this video because I'm just showing you snippets of what's going on. Let's see. Let me just turn around here. Tonight when we watch TV, I'm going to go through these baskets. So this is one miscellaneous basket of stuff I've thrown in, and this is a second one. So I'm going to go through those, and I'm simply going to sort what goes where, and then when I come back downstairs, I will put it there. So for example, this random piece of paper here, this is going in my floral iris container. I know that. This cut out here is going to be going into my pet and animal one. I have to straighten it because it's all crooked. This one here, that's Halloween. So that's how I'm gonna do all this, and I'll come back when more stuff is done. Ciao for now. All right, so I pulled out the papers I want for that birthday layout I just showed you. There's a lot of dark blue, light blue, and red, so that's what I'm using. Probably that. But as I was doing this, so this is what happens. As I was getting all that ready, I noticed this here, and this paper pad I've already gone through to do some recent birthday layouts of my daughter. And I don't want to keep it in this pad because there's some stuff in here that I don't want to put for birthday. For example, let me show you here. Hold on. I have a couple here that are going into floral. Like, for example, that. And then there's a beautiful one that I want to put into wedding. Not keep it for birthday. This, isn't that beautiful? So that's going to be sorted into wedding, and I'm going to rip these out and put them in my bins where they go. That's it. Come back soon. Okay, this is too funny. I decided to cut this out by hand. I won't be doing that again. It's not straight. The heck was I thinking? Anyway, I am going to get my circle cutter from Creative Memories and fix that up. And yes, I'm still working on my layout instead of cleaning. Great job, Vicky. Great job. All right, so I thought I'd tackle this basket, and look at this oddity that I have found. So this basket started as, oh, let me show you what it started as. Juliana's baby book basket number 2. So I have, you know, stuff that I was going to use for little girl, which is this, and other stuff, and some of her pages are already made, and then I was going to redo some, and then there's things like this, a large photo, all that. So everything here is in order. Juliana's baby album number 2. But then I had this stuff tucked in. Why? What the heck? I have birthday cards and Christmas cards tucked in to this basket. So I don't even know how that happened. But guess what? They gotta go. What is this? Oh, 2010. So Juliana, all her hard work, all the best for next year. Oh, okay. So this is when she graduated from school, from her Montessori. This is going in the school album. Glad I found it. Stay tuned. Let's see what else I can uncover. God only knows. Okay, here's the last thing I'm going to show you today in this mishmash video. This has been hours, by the way, and I've accomplished virtually nothing. But, sorry, if you hear people screaming, my husband and son are watching the France and Sweden game right now. But anyway, this is the drawer where I have my little booklets, where I have everything written for scrapbooking. There's my little tally. And I had these random things sitting around. I don't know why. A green car, that's my daughter's. My brother gave it to her years ago, for whatever reason, when she was little. And then in this drawer, I also have this. I'm showing you because I like to hydrate my face every once in a while. So I have that. I have another rose toner. I have a hair clip here and a couple of other phone cases and some of these squishies. So I'm literally just showing you this to say this drawer is now organized. A little bit odd. Nobody needs that. I do need and love these. My books are in there. That's all good. This one's also beautifully organized because it's stuff that I reach for all the time. Pencils, lip products, these little washies that I use for my Cricut, a little bit of face cream, eye drops, more lip balm, sanitizer, not because I like sanitizer, but because when I'm working on projects and my hands are dirty, I just use that to clean them up. A few cute little coasters, my lighter for my candles, Squishy and Scooby-Doo. Oh, and my little Christmas tree light for my my on-off switch for my little lights. That's it. I think I'm going to call it a day. This is a very random video and there's so much more work to be done. So I will be back with more because look, this is another side that's a mess. What? Yep, we'll be tackling that also. Thanks, guys. This was a crazy video and I hope you enjoyed it. Ciao for now.